Check this part out. It was made right here at home, and today we are going to learn how to do exactly the same. In this video, I will teach you the simplest and the fastest method to model this wall hook in the Autodesk Fusion. And the best part, we will watch the magic happen on the Bambu Lab A1. I've prepared a full tutorial straight to the point to take you from zero to a finished part. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we create a line here with 60 millimeters, create this line with 7 millimeters, and create a line here with 25 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click at the midpoint, 60 millimeters here, 7 here, and 25 millimeters here. Now we will create a line here with 20 millimeters, a line here with 15 millimeters, and another line here with 7 millimeters. So here, 20 millimeters, 15, 7 millimeters. Let me move this dimension a little bit. Now we will create a line here, this line here, and this line here. The distance between this point and the midpoint, 25 millimeters, and this line here has 10 millimeters of length. So select the line again, make this sketch here, go to constraints, select horizontal vertical, make sure that this line here is a horizontal line. The distance here 10 millimeters and the distance here 25. Now we will make a triangle here, and the distance between this line here and this one 7 millimeters, the distance here 7 millimeters, and the distance here 7 millimeters. This line here must be parallel with this one. So select line, make a triangle here, go to constraints and select parallel, select this line and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here 7 millimeters here and 7 millimeters here. And here we'll make this arc. This arc is a tangent arc. This arc is tangent with this line, tangent with this line here, and tangent with this line. So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click at this line here and at this line, make an arc here, and go to constraint, select the tangent, select this arc and this line, this arc and this line, and select this arc and this line here. And here go to modify, select the break, cut this line here, and here, and here. And make this a construction line type. Select this one holding Ctrl in the keyboard and click here in the construction line type. We made this profile, so finish the sketch. We will extrude this 15 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile. The direction, select symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 15 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. Now we will make the fillets in this part. So let me remove these red lines here. We have a fillet here with 6 millimeters of radius. And this corner here, the fillet is 1.5 millimeters. And this edge here, and this edge here is 5 millimeters of radius, the same here. So let's create this. Go to fillet, select this edge, this one. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. Now add selection set, select this edge, the fillet here is 6 millimeters. And add selection set, the fillet here is 1.5 millimeters. And press OK. Now we'll make this hole here. So this hole has 5 millimeters of diameter and it is in the center. And the distance between the center of this hole and this face here is 7 millimeters. So go to hole, select this face. To edge reference, select this edge here. The distance here is 7 millimeters. And add the second reference, select this edge. The distance here is 15/2. The extend, select all. The hole type, select simple. And the diameter here is 5 millimeters. Press OK. Now we make the other hole here. We'll make this one. So here we'll make a reference first. So to create this reference, this hole is in the center of this face here. So let's create this reference. Go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to create, project include, project, rotate this body a little bit and select this face and press OK. Now select a line, a construction line. Find the center of this rectangle. When you see this triangle, it means that is in the center of this line. Make a line here. And go to create, select point, make a point in the center of this line when you see this triangle. And finish the sketch. This hole, we have a hole here with 9 millimeters of diameter and another hole with 5 millimeters of diameter. So let's create this. Go to hole and the reference, select this point. And the hole extend, select all. The hole type, select counter body. And the first diameter here, the counter body diameter is 9 millimeters of diameter. And the extrusion here, you can use 25, the distance. And the second hole here, the diameter is 5 millimeters. And press OK. We made these two holes here. Now we add a chamfer here. All the chamfers in this part is 1 millimeters. And we have a chamfer in this edge and in this edge here. So go to modify, select the chamfer. Select this edge and select this edge. Select this edge here and this one. The chamfer here, 1 millimeters. Add selection set. Select this circle here and this one. The chamfer here is 1 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. Now we will send this to Bambu Lab Studio. So save this project. Exercise 8.8. And here, go to File and select the 3D print. The object, select this body here. And the format, 3NF. And press OK. The preparation type here is export. Press OK. Now we will select a location. Select here, save it to my computer. In my case, I will save in downloads. And the name here, wall hook. And press save. Now open the Bambu Studio or open the app of your 3D print. And here in the Bambu Lab Studio, go to Prepare and select here Add, and we will select the file, wall hook. Open this. We will need to rotate this for better results. So rotate this 90 degrees. Okay. And here I will slice this plate. And I will go to print this plate. I will send this to the 3D print. And that's how you go from a simple sketch to a solid. If you want the original Fusion files to study or just to print, check the first link in the description. You'll find both the sketch and the 3D model there. And if this video brought you value and you'd like to support the channel directly, there's a PayPal donation link in the description. Every contribution helps me to get more filament and create even better tutorial for you. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.